In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view heat maps in Wistia. First, log into your Wistia account. Once you're in, you should land on your library or video list. Pick the video you want to analyze by clicking its thumbnail or title. That opens the video's page. From here, look for the Analytics option. Depending on your layout, you'll see it in the sidebar or across the top navigation. Click Analytics to open the reporting view for that specific video. On the Analytics page, switch to the Engagement tab. This is where Wistia highlights how people actually watched your content. At the top, you'll see an engagement graph that summarizes performance over time. Directly below that, you'll find the list of heat maps. Each heat map corresponds to a single viewing session, visualizing what happened during that watch from start to finish. Let's break down what you're looking at. Each heat map is a horizontal timeline of your video. The colors tell the story. White indicates the viewer didn't play that section at all. Green shows a segment that was watched once, straight through. When you start seeing yellow, orange, or red, that means the viewer re-watched those moments, and the warmer the color, the more times they went back. This color coding makes it easy to spot behavior at a glance: skips, steady viewing, and high-interest replays. Use these visuals to understand audience engagement. If you notice consistent white patches near the beginning, viewers may be skipping an intro that's running too long. A cluster of warm colors around a demo or key explanation usually signals strong interest or a need for clarification, which can be useful for future edits or chaptering. Because each heat map represents a single session, the same person might show up more than once if they return to watch again. And that pattern can give you insight into how people learn or evaluate your video over time. A couple of quick tips as you interpret the data. Small gaps or irregularities can happen if a viewer scrubbed quickly or had a brief connection hiccup. So focus on larger patterns rather than isolated blips. Also, compare the engagement graph above to the heat maps below to confirm what's a broad trend versus one-off behavior. That's all you need to view and understand heat maps in Wistia. Open the video, head to Analytics, click Engagement, and read the colors to see what's resonating.